Oh no! No, 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 no!
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Hickory Dickory Dock little bird scene. Get ready to meet a cute yet cheeky bird perched above the iconic clock. This is where the magic happens as we bring in some amazing video effects. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's explore these creative effects together. I'm Goat Edits 1989. Let's jump right in. Hickory Dickory Dock, naughty little bird gets a video effect makeover. Naughty little bird, normal clip.
Oh no! No, 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 no!
Naughty little bird, G major plus fuzzy effect. Naughty little bird, speed 2.0 times. Naughty little bird, random flash cut. Naughty little bird, flash number 4. Naughty little bird, color flicker. Naughty little bird, fancy sharpen. Naughty little bird, silk screen graffiti. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed exploring the Hickory Dickory Dock little bird scene with all those amazing effects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you had fun watching, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more creative edits. Thanks for hanging out with me, Goat Edits 1989, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome!